recipe. Chickpeas 2 cups. Red chili powder 2 teaspoons, black pepper 1 teaspoon, dry coriander 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt, as of green chilies 3 to 4. 2 onions, 1 tomato, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Soak chickpeas in water for 5 to 6 hours minimum. In a pressure cooker, add 2 cups soaked chickpeas with water in it. Now add onions, tomato and ginger garlic paste in it. Add all dried spices in it. Mix it well. Cover the lid for 8 to 10 minutes. When chickpeas are tendered completely, drain all the excess water from it. Add 2 cups of oil in it. Bonify it well. Add green chilies to enhance the taste. Black peppers